As a professional Christmas light installer, you know that efficiency and reliability are key to your business. Our C7 Christmas Light Pro package is designed with you in mind, providing everything you need to deliver a polished, high-quality result on every job. This comprehensive package includes all the materials necessary to install beautiful and durable C7 Christmas lights across multiple homes. Whether you're tackling rooftops, gutters, or trees, this kit simplifies the process, saving you time and boosting your productivity. First, let's take a look at the commercial grade socket wire, spaced perfectly for even and professional C7 light installations. This flexible wire allows you to customize your strand lengths, ensuring you can fit any project's requirements, whether you're covering a small stretch or an entire roof line. You simply cut the wire to size and attach the provided male and female plugs to create a custom fit strand that perfectly suits your job. Also included in the package are energy efficient C7 LED bulbs that shine brightly while consuming less power. You can choose between different color options, allowing you to create unique displays. With these high-performance bulbs, you're not only delivering a stunning visual effect, but also using a product designed to last for many seasons. Next, we have our best clips, made from durable, high-quality plastic designed to securely attach your C7 lights to a variety of surfaces. These versatile clips can be used on shingles, gutters, or drip edges, making installation faster and easier than ever. The package also includes green lamp cord and plugs for easy customization. Whether you need to extend power to different parts of your display or make seamless connections, these components help you tailor each installation to fit perfectly. Simply connect the male and female plugs to create custom length strands that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. And finally, we've included a photo cell timer. This smart tool automatically turns your lights on at dusk and off at dawn, providing hands-free operation for your clients and ensuring your installations are hassle-free. Set it once and it takes care of the rest, which makes your installs more efficient. With everything you need in one solution, this C7 Christmas Light Pro package is the perfect choice for professional installers. Save time, deliver stunning results, and maximize your profitability this holiday season.